tuning in. My name is Barbara. As we continue to track Mehul Choksi there in Dominica, as we continue to remain in the custody there, we'll get you why it is a double setback for the fugitive damager now. We know mainly that the Dominican High Court had relied on the affidavit that was filed by the Indian agencies, as he had not completely renounced his Indian citizenship, also as to how he's an economic offender back in India. Now what we are getting to know in the latest development, that more charges have now been added in the case against Mehul Choksi. Rhythm Anand Bhardwaj getting us more on this.
Mehul Choksi has now been remanded to police custody, which means it's for the very first time, like we've been saying, Mehul Choksi gets his first taste of prison. What is also crucial to see here is he could have been shifted to prison, but we've been told that the lawyers have said it's his medical conditions due to which he shall continue to remain in the hospital. Republic TV at the same time has also accessed the Bombay court order on the supplementary charge sheet that has been filed in the Mehul Choksi case, that is taking cognizance of new charges that have been put against accused number 6, that is Mehul Choksi in the case. The charges that have been put against him are section 120B of the IPC for criminal conspiracy, section 477A of the IPC for falsification of accounts, and 201 for causing disappearance of evidence. What does this prove? This is proving day after day the Indian mission is getting closer to getting Mehul Choksi back. How is this going to happen? This is only going to happen now when the court hearing begins, but it's very clear, a clear indication that the bail hearing was rejected. While rejecting the bail hearing, the Dominican High Court relied upon Indian government's documents and affidavits. It's very clear India is one step closer to getting that win. It's also very clear when we are filing the supplementary charge sheet and cognizance is being taken and new charges and sections are being added against him, things are not looking very good for Mehul Choksi, who's in complete panic. And the most important thing, India has said 3 things. Mehul Choksi is at flight risk, so he should not be let go in Dominica. We've also said there are 11 offences that are pending against him in India. He should be dragged back here to the Dominican court. We've also finally said he is the main beneficiary and the main contributor to the PNB 13,000 crore scam, and therefore he should immediately be dragged back here. It has to be seen how soon that will happen, but it's very clear things are troubling for Mehul Choksi in Dominica. I'm Rhythm Anand Bhardwaj in Delhi for Republic TV.
All right, let me go across to Shivani, who is joining us live this morning from the National Capital. And Rhythm also will be with us in a short while from now. Good morning to you, Shivani. Now, it has been a double setback for Mehul Choksi. Of course, he's been remanded there in prison as he continues to remain in the custody of Dominica. But also that fresh charges has now been added against him by the Indian agencies against this economic offender, Mehul Choksi. Tell us more on this.
See, a major setback for Choksi has come up, and now he has been sent to the prison custody. He'll be sent to the prison custody in Dominica, and this has come by the magisterial court, which will be sending Mehul Choksi to the prison custody. And right now, he was in the police custody. Though the lawyer of Mehul Choksi, Vijay Agrawal, he has said that he will be in the hospital. He'll continue to be in the hospital where he's undergoing treatment, but after the treatment is over, he will be moved to the prison. And this order has come as a major blow to Mehul Choksi. Another major blow for Mehul Choksi has come up with more fresh charges of falsification, misinformation, and many other charges which have made the case for India quite stronger, as we know that the Indian agencies are already on the task to bring Mehul Choksi back to India. His deportation procedures are getting easier with more and more charges of falsification getting slapped on Mehul Choksi. So these are the latest developments wherein the multiple agencies, whichever documents have been put forth in the Dominican court by the multiple agencies of India, and whatever communication is happening, it's building the case stronger for Indian agencies.
Right, Shivani, just stay on with us. I'm told Rhythm is also with us on the phone line. Now, good morning to you, Rhythm. The latest developments there. How are we looking at the Indian agencies now strengthening the case and tightening the case? It's going to be a watertight case that would be built now against Mehul Choksi. I'm afraid we are unable to hear you clearly, but we will just quickly reconnect that line with you. In the meantime, Shivani, if you want. But why are we talking about as a double setback for Mehul Choksi in the last 24 hours itself? Because in Dominica, he has been remanded to judicial custody, while in India, new charges have now been pressed in the case against Choksi. Yes, Rhythm.
That's right. So two quick things that are coming in, Amita. First, from police custody, Mehul Choksi is taken to prison custody. However, he continues to be in the hospital. But this is a big move forward that India has been successfully able to show to the Dominican authorities that he's needed in prison custody. Choksi is in panic because now from police custody, it's prison custody that he's moved to. He has to rely on medical so-called conditions that his lawyers are talking about to ensure that he's not moved to the prison straight away. If this does happen, Choksi is getting his first taste of prison in Dominica. Let's very, very be clear. This is only happening because of the joint Indian mission of the diplomatic mission that's taken forward, also by the legal advice that's been given by Queen's Counsel, Senior Advocate Mr. Hari Salve, and of course our agencies, the ED and the CBI, that are putting their best foot forward. Republic TV also accesses the 11th June Bombay court order. This is taking cognizance of the supplementary charge sheet that has been filed against Mehul Choksi and others in the PNB scam. This also includes new sections that have been added against Mehul Choksi of criminal conspiracy, disappearance of evidence, falsification of accounts. What happens with the sections that have been added and cognizance has been taken, and this order clearly shows Mehul Choksi has even more serious charges and more trouble, as the agencies have already brushed up their act and are ensuring that extremely soon he is dragged back to India.
Right. Vidam, thanks very much for getting us those details. Let me go back to Shivani for another update, because Shivani, we're getting to know as far as this next year is concerned, till the time the Indian agencies are following up. Of course, when it comes to the Dominican High Court, they're relying basically on the affidavit that was filed by the Indian agencies that also mentioned that he had not fully given up on his Indian citizenship, and as to why Mehul Choksi is an economic offender back home.
See, we've been tracking all the updates since 23rd of May when Mehul Choksi was absconding. He was then taken into custody by the Dominican police, and the cases, how they have been going about. And 2 times the bail plea of Mehul Choksi has been rejected by the Magisterial and the High Court of Dominica. And we know that the plea has to be taken up. The hearing has to be taken up in the Dominica court in the month of July. Meanwhile, the multiple agencies from India have kept all the required documents in front of the court and given all the evidences, and also apprised the court how Mehul Choksi was involved in the economic offense of a larger magnitude in India, and after that he was in Antigua, where he claimed to be a citizen. But the statements from the Prime Minister of Antigua have clarified that his citizenship still remains unsettled because it was based on a lot of misinformation and other evidences also, which the Republic TV has been highlighting, how all these things are building the case weaker for Mehul Choksi. His claims are being exposed, and the affidavits being filed also have brought in a major setback for Choksi, and the Indian agencies seem to be successful in bringing Mehul Choksi very soon back to India so that he can face further legal action. He did not comply with the rules. He did not support in the investigation. There are hundreds of summons at his
those things are anyways going against Mehul Choksi, but there are 3 fresh charges that have been slapped against him back in India as we continue to follow up on the Mehul Choksi scam investigation that continues to be followed up by Republic there in Dominica and back in India as well. Shivani, for the moment, thanks very much for joining us.